All right, I'm at the GRANDAD'S Bluff. This is the advanced trail I'll probably do here in a second. But I'm gonna do this first. This is a compass loop. And it's supposed to be kind of a green loop. Yeah, right. Whee! Wow! I was like going way, way, way fast. This list loops around because I want to see what this is like, and then I'm gonna probably do the advanced trail, maybe something else, and then I'm gonna be done. I'm just going clunk. I'm going clunk with my pedals. I really do not like these flat pedals that much, but there are many different levels of flat pedals. Wow, it's actually pretty jittery. Holy cow. Oh, oh. Yeah, they had rains here, for sure. And this is where I parked just a second ago. Trail users yell at traffic. Okay. Here, stupid car. Wow. There's like there's a drainage right across the trail. I was thinking about checking this out and then going back and doing jet A again. Oh, it's going to, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. Ha. I didn't think this was going to be a downhill, but it is. Wow. I'm probably going to have to go uphill again. No doubts about that. So when the uphill starts, I'll stop filming because that's actually pretty fun. So there are some fun trails over here too. If you don't mind navigating waterways from the summer. It just drops completely down to my right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. This is a new trail. Did I mention this is a new trail? It's a new trail. Never ridden this trail before. There's a whole bunch of new trails over here that I've never ridden. Oh, there's like a huge tree uprooted down there. It looks like some massive den of some wild animal. Kind of cool. Yes, the leaves are falling. This is my farewell tour. Today is my farewell tour. I'm just going to be working on skills and random stuff for the rest of the year. I do intend to ride all the way up to Thanksgiving. You know, if the weather's nice, such and so forth. Wow! Everything into a jump. Oh, I got air on that. Ah, the squirrel got air. You got scared the crap out of him. Wow, this is actually pretty sweet. I like it. I'm definitely going to come over here and explore some more of the other trails next time. 1909, no bike. Wow. That's the road that you come up down there. So the downhill goes, and you gap the road.